Welcome to Electrical Installation at Heart of Worcestershire College. The electrical department is based at our Worcester and Bromsgrove campuses, and we use custom-built workshops and standard industry specified rigs. The courses we run include T-levels, Level 2, Level 3 and commercial updating courses covering subjects such as health and safety, installation theory, principles of electrical science, design practices and procedures, inspection and testing, fault finding and rectification. But head to our page on the website for the most up-to-date courses we offer. The types of careers our students have gone on to pursue are most notably as electricians, but there are other avenues where they can specialise in renewable technologies, electrical vehicle charging, building services engineers or electrical designers. In the electrical department, we want to support students who are keen, focused, hard-working and conscientious. We hope you'll come and join us at HoW College's Electrical Installation Department.